Today I want to talk about another indicator called Parabolic SAR. SAR is stop and reverse. So this is Parabolic stop and reverse indicator. I'm using eToro Pro charts today. We are looking at US dollar, Japanese yen, and we are on daily chart. To add the indicator on eToro, you should go to Studies 2, and here you can find Parabolic SAR. But if you use other indicators, just search. Okay, we have minimum AF and maximum AF. AF is acceleration factor, so I'm not going to change these things as the preset numbers are 0.02 and 0.2 are very good numbers, but if you do a back test on any instrument that you want to do the analyze that instrument, then just do the back test and see if other numbers is better. But I'm going to use at 0.02. And I'm not going to talk about technicality of these numbers. Every time, the calculation is done, it adds 0.02, it goes to 0.2 and stuff like that. But anyway, we're not going to talk about the technicalities today. I'm leaving these preset numbers and press create. This is how Parabolic SAR looks like. This is one of the indicators that gives you trend, also gives you buy signals, sell signals, and close signals. So very interesting indicator. Okay. We're going to talk about trend first. So anytime we have dots below the price, below the candles, we can say we are in an uptrend. And anytime dots are above the candle, then we are in a downtrend. Buy signals are where the first dot below candle creates. Here is a buy signal. So just let me add the annotation to the chart. Okay. So you can see here we have a buy signal. Okay. But to open a buy position or sell position, other than checking this, is better to have a look at the long-term trend. For example, here you can see we are in downtrend. So after this point, it's better to only open sell positions, because as you know, trend is our friend. There are many ways to determine the long-term trend. For example, if you adjust the moving average, depending on time frame you're working on and your trading style. So if I just add a moving average, say at 200 maybe, create, you can see that we are in downtrend here. That depends. So if you add a moving average with sorry, that was 200. Now, if you add another one, for example, with 100, then create, you can see changes. But anyway, as long as we below the 200 moving average, you should always open just sell signals. I'm just removing these indicators, the moving average ones. But then, to find the trend, best way is just look at the chart, and sorry, okay. You can see the downtrend is very, very obvious here. So in this market, you should better just open sell positions. So ignore this one, sell here. Ignore this one, sell here. So let me add that annotation as well. Where is the annotation here? So you should only listen to the sell signals. Okay, so you can see here, and well, this is a bit annoying. You should go again and choose the time. Anyway, as you can see, we have sell, 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 sell. And when you see a dot above the candle, the first dot, it's good to just put the sell there, because if you are in downtrend, but to be safe, maybe better to wait for the candle to be closed. But frankly, if you are in downtrend, just put the sell position here when you see the first dot above the candle. And the stop loss is one of other things that you can use this indicator for, is stop loss. So you open a sell position here, then where can be your stop loss? You can just put the stop loss above the dots on a sell in a short position. So it's very good if you are a fan of the trailing stop loss. Then every day when you check your chart, just move the trailing stop loss above these dots. You can see the last one will be trailing stop loss here, then it's going to come back up and hit that. So it's a good profit. Anyway, when you see the first dot below the candles, then you know that in downtrend you should close your sell positions, because that could be either a reversal point, or just one wave up and get ready for the next wave down and take more profits. I think we covered everything for this indicator. Just some general advice. As you know, this is a lagging indicator, so that's why I said this. Some people say better to wait for the candle to be closed anyway, but that's the normal winning lagging indicator for all the technical indicators, to most of them. And as I said, to avoid false entries, always trade in the direction of the long-term trend, which is down here, up here. So if you are here, just listen to buy signals, buy here, and buy here. And if you are here, just listen to sell signals and ignore the rest. Yep, that was all. So to wrap it up, SAR, Parabolic SAR is stop and reverse indicator. You can find the trend direction, also It gives you buy and sell signals, and you can use that as stop loss. And in uptrend here, for example, if you open buy here, you just move your stop loss below the dots every time. This is a very nice indicator. Yeah, try to use it for your trading, and let me know what you think. Put your comments down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you later.